Hey, third, fourth, and fifth grade techies. Good to see ya. It's Mr. Stom. I'm in the bedroom of my house, and I'm making the screencast for you, not only to say hi, and I'm sure it's fun for you to see my face again. And you know what I am kind of enjoying about distance learning and being at home is that I get to wear my hats. I have lots of hats of my favorite sports teams. More on that later. So, anyways, let's get to it. I made a technology lesson for week 2 for third, fourth, and fifth graders. It's all the same. I'm going to keep them quite basic on week 1 and week 2. And then next week, week 3, I'm going to customize them more for each grade. So I'm going to show you third, fourth, and fifth graders what to do by using this Google Classroom. This is a third grade Google Classroom for distance learning, but it'll all be the same process for fourth or fifth grade. So if you're in fourth or fifth grade, just pretend it says fourth or fifth grade up there. All right. So when you go into your Google Classroom, you would first, if you're on a laptop, you need to log into your drive, your Colab drive. To get to Colab, you can be on the Cedar Park website, resources for students. And then you can scroll down and click the giant button that says Colab and log in. Once you're logged into Colab to your drive, you go to the apps waffle and go to Classroom. If you're using your iPad, you can use the Classroom app. All right. So back to my example. When you get to your third, fourth, or fifth grade Google Classroom, if you're in fourth or fifth grade, please use your technology one you use with me in class during the school year. Okay? So just to review that would look like this. So if I'm in Mrs. Peters' fifth grade class, I would go here. Okay? If I was in fourth grade Mrs. Giesi's class, I'd go to our frog bannered technology class. I like frogs. All right. I'm going to go back to the third grade distance learning site. All right. So we'll go to classwork if I was a student. All right. And then you can go down underneath my category, which is technology class, and you'll see a new purple one there, Monday morning. It's not purple now because I have it scheduled for tomorrow, which is Monday at 9 a.m. But here's what it's going to look like. I'll give you a sneak preview. All right. It'll say this. You're going to watch 3 videos on digital citizenship of your choice. There's 8 total for you to choose from. Okay, you'd click this link. Watch 3 or more if you want. Okay, and then when you're done with that, you're going to post 3 facts or important tips you learned about being a good person with technology from those videos. Okay, you'll click that where it says your response here. I'm in teacher mode, so I can't really show you that. But on down here, if you use your imagination, it'll say, post your response here or type your answer, I think it actually says. So you'd type it down there. Your 3 facts or tips from the videos. All right, we've done this before in class, very similar things if you remember. Okay, all right, then my favorite one is going to be a new fun coding challenge. I'm going to have a new tech, sometimes it'll be coding, sometimes not, but it'll be a challenge every week. Okay, last week was Codable. This week, I want to see if you can beat Pixel the Puppy. I know it kind of sounds for little kids, but it actually gets quite hard. There's like 25 levels or so, and I want to see if you can beat it. Okay. All right. So my tip for Pixel the Puppy is I would use loop commands, those brackets that kind of look like this with a little circle with a value you can type in. So if I made a sequence like forward, forward, jump, and I want that to repeat 3 times, I would click in the bracket. Okay. Type in a 3, so it would repeat it 3 times. That will be very helpful for you using loop commands, okay, to repeat sequences. All right. Well, on to my hat. So I like the Minnesota Twins. I am kind of bummed out, like lots of people in Minnesota, that the baseball season is going to be delayed. But I like to collect Twins hats. Actually, my kids and I collect Twins hats. So I'm going to post a link. It's just for fun. It's optional. It'll look like this for a survey. If you want to guess how many hats between myself and my 2 kids we own, you can quickly fill out, just click a choice. The choices are 5 hats, 8 hats, 10 hats, or 12 hats total.